Very clean.
Slow.
Got the cage back there. Oh, look at this one. This is clean. On the HREs, look at that plate too. Revs up to 9,000 RPM. Super clean. Dude, this thing must be so loud when it gets on it. Super clean. Gotta love it. I like the stripes too. I think it goes with it. It's pretty nice. This one's super low. Look at that. Lip practically on the floor. Guys, I feel like it's all Porsches today. Too many Porsches. Well, we got two E36s over there, so that's pretty cool. I think it's gonna be a lot of Porsches and BMWs today. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Morning Car Club out here in LA. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and let's check out some of the cool cars that are here. Very nice color on the GT3. It's like a blue, almost has like a hint of purple in it. The GT3 Touring, as you can see, has no wing. Very clean. We have two E46 M3s, the car yellow. We got one in the sedan, and we got one in the coupe. The homie just picked this one up. He also has an E36 M3 in the Estoril blue, like that color right there. Very nice. That's a clean E36 M3. Got the full cage, gutted, got the wing on it. Crazy. Homie EJ, so with the M8, that used to be his E90 M3 right there. That's crazy. 6-speed manual, white E90 with the Silverstone interior. Super clean. Wow. Super clean E90 M3. Wow. This is a super clean F80 M3, black sapphire metallic. On the comp wheels, looking hella low. Got the GTS OLED style taillights. Very clean. Of course, we got my M4 GTS. We got EJ with the M8 competition. We're looking hella good right now. Super clean cars. That's a nice M4. I believe this is a, I don't even know what color this is honestly on the M4 comp. It's an individual. I think it's Avis Blue. I think that's what they call it on this one. But so far, so good. We got a bunch of good cars out right now. A bunch of BMWs, a bunch of Porsches. I feel like that's what the meet's gonna be all about today, is BMWs and Porsches. Super clean Porsche. This is Greg from Inazitech, the owner of Inazitech, that wrap company. Very clean color. Got the wide body on it, BBS's, yellow cage. It's like a greenish color. Looks really good. But let's check this out. Look at this color. It's like a greenish color. Super clean. On BBS's, of course. I feel like everybody here is on BBS's. Very nice. Look at that interior. Got the green cage to match. Super clean GT3 Touring. Then we've got a chalk gray GT3 on BBS's as well. Super clean. Look at the seats on that GT3. Alcantara steering wheel with the red strip. Red cage to match. Very clean. This thing is beautiful. We've got the GT3 Touring. So this one has no wing. This is the newer generation. That's the newer generation. There's a generation before it, but this still looks freaking beautiful. And let's check out that interior because it's all blue. Look at that. It's like Powerade blue. We've got another brand new GT3. This is the new generation, super clean. Got the interior, look at the seats. Super clean. And it's a manual as well. Pretty rare, pretty hard to find. Super nice. So we have the new 2 Series, guys, in like that purple color. I don't even know what color this is, but it's the new 2 Series, not the M2. It kind of looks like the new M2, but it's not. It's got an exhaust. As you can see, it's got the Edgar Pavic exhaust, M240. Pretty clean. It's like a purplish color. And then we have the A90 Supra on TEs, like a red color. I like the Supras. We've got a clean yellow Supra. We got that 2 Series leaving. Looks pretty cool. Got the Supra over here. Pretty chill meet, super calm today. Nothing too crazy, but real low key. The homie Ara's E46 M3 on TEs with the Brembos, with the red interior, with the Recaros, 6-speed manual. Probably one of the cleanest E46 M3s out there. It's got that CSL trunk, got the BMW M3 plate. Beautiful 2002 with the Laguna Seca Blue E46 M3 on BBS's as well. This is so clean. So is this 2002. I've seen this guy around before. He's got the blue cage back there. Dang, this thing is beautiful. 6-speed manual. Very nice. Silverstone interior. Got the CSL trunk back there. This is beautiful. It's a clean C63 with the BBSs. Guys, I swear like 90% of this meet was all BBSs. Everybody had BBSs on their car. Super clean though. You don't really see too many Mercedes-Benzes modified, so it's pretty cool to see one out in the wild. And I think this is the only Benz that's here at this meet, so pretty cool. Got the Porsches leaving. Super clean. Very nice. Favorite. Super clean. This is so clean, guys. Nice. This one too, I love this color. Looks so good. It's a clean 911 turbo right there, matte blue with the black wheels. Yeah, you can go over there. Yeah. Super clean. You can even park here if you want to. Super clean 911 turbo with the clear taillights. Very nice. Look who pulls up so freaking late. Oh.
Back it up right here.
Should I put the GTR like by the trash can?
He knows
Say what's
where
up to
the
the camera.
GTR belongs to. Hey, park it.
You can park it there if you want. Or you know what, park it down the street, bro.
Remember my E90, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys.
Shorts?
My shorts.
What? Since when?
It's hot, no?
Rich.
How'd you guys park in the front?
Well, you're too early.
Nick pulled up with his GTR. Look at that exhaust though. This guy's interior is on point. Very nice. That's a clean E92 M3. And manual. Very nice. That's a clean GT3 right there. Like that red color. That's super clean. Sheesh. Rich?
Well, let me test the paddle shifter.
Hell no. He wants to test our cars.
This is a
That's too much power for Nick.
engineering. You're driving a Nissan.
Too much power for Nick.
This is too dangerous for you.
You like the paddles?
It's gonna break the paddles, man.
Well, let's race our car.
Oh, you changed it?
Yeah, I feel it. Click it.
Oh, I feel
Ooh,
sick.
you like the way it clicks? Alright guys, I'm passenger in my own car. Nick wants
What
to
if I
drive.
crash it?
Please do not say that. Hey, watch out!
What, bro? Is it really that low?
Watch out! No, I'm just kidding. No, you're good. Go.
What do I break the lip?
Oh
I really,
my god,
I can't
bro.
see anything,
Slowly,
huh?
bro. What's wrong with you? Okay, go a little more that way because there's a pot. This way. I gotta hold this.
Bro! I really can't see anything, I'm not gonna lie.
Alright, go.
Wow! So you can put these paddles in the E92?
Thumbnail. Go. Too many burbles? Is it fun? Do you like it?
Yes.
You like the way it sounds?
Yes.
Or is it like too many burbles? You think it burbles too much?
I think it's
annoying.
There's no way that's stock though.
It is stock, I'm telling you. There's no tune, just the downpipes.
But GTSs are different than Honda.
They're
right?
differently, yeah, from factory they're differently tuned, but
There's no way
there's
F80s sound like that.
there's no aftermarket
Davis
tune.
does not burble. He's just not tuned.
He has it's compact, no?
I don't know what he is.
What the? Oh my, yeah, just turn around, bro.
But I feel like this drives way better than F80.
You know what that means? Go for it, big dog.